go. Oh! Hey! Good? Hannah, say fire up?
Fire up.
Say welcome back.
Welcome back
To
to
Uncle Mark's Outpost.
homework.
Say welcome back to Uncle Mark's Outpost. It's still standing. We're back, spring 2025. We got the family and we're delivering a new generator, opening up camp. I mean, the cabin's standing, so we're off to a good start. All right, made it. All right, welcome back. Oh, is it warm in here? Doesn't look like any animals have been in here. We're looking for surprises right now. No surprises. This is good. This is good. The cool thing is the power's still running. Oh, is it warm in here? Solar's charging. Things are good. No animals. Got antifreeze in the water lines. All the tools got laid out nicely. I think things are in pretty good shape. That right there is a bear tooth, I would assume, or claw. Nature. It is so good to be back at the outpost. There's that in-between season where you want to come here. The ice was going out. This was the first, I guess, transition season where our batteries and solar system kept everything charged, and we had enough propane to keep the mechanical room warm and all that good stuff. So I could monitor it with their Reolink security cameras remotely, which is pretty cool to check on the outpost. It was funny, I had Scotty and Spencer pretty worried because I saw an image on the security camera and I saw two individuals on our yard. So I texted in the group chat, I said, hey guys, not trying to freak you out, but there's two individuals on our property. It looks like they flew in. So I was playing some mind games. They were thinking, oh, someone brought their float plane in and they're checking out the cabin or breaking in. Then I sent the picture. It was two geese. So it was a pretty funny dad joke. They had a good laugh. I think some people that have been here, they're not used to using, you know, off-grid and solar. The thing is, off-grid solar, the whole deal, it's amazing, it's incredible. But when you're charging boats, charging live scopes, running a lot of stuff, you still need to rely on the generator. Like when you're just running security camera on a fridge or something, you can get away with solar. But when you're running all those things, you do need to run the generator. So, all right, we got that. We gotta add some oil. Oh, I got that drip, son. All right, we're gonna move this into position, gas it up, fire it up. This is oozing some sort of weird liquid.
Okay, we're good. We're good. It's just a garter snake.
You didn't see it at first. You didn't know what I was holding up.
It is. No, there's nothing wrong with it.
So this is push start, and it's also got a remote, which I think is gonna be pretty nice for guests in the winter or at nighttime. All right, we'll try firing it up. All right, here we go. Moment of truth.
It's pretty deadly.
That's very deadly. The remote is key. Welcome back to paradise. As you can see behind me, there's some serious work happening. We have some familiar faces back that helped build this cabin. And we said, hey, we're building a fish cleaning shack. Do you want to come out? So we got Caleb, we got Andrew, we got Brady, we got Braden, we got Troy. Spencer's gonna show up. We arrived last night. When we got here, Brady and Braden had pretty much built half the fish cleaning shack. So in the off season, you know, we're doing research, and I obviously have been to a bunch of fishing camps and I know what I like and what I don't like. Something that we were missing at this place was a fish cleaning shack. If you don't have a fish cleaning shack, then you gotta clean it outside and the bugs, or you bring the fish into the cabin, which isn't something we want either. And I was looking online and I stumbled upon some message boards, and multiple people commented on Uncle Mark's missing a fish cleaning shack. So what I've appreciated from lodges I've been to is the ones that put money back into it. So we bought some supplies. Scotty ran it down the other day, and we're gonna build a fish cleaning shack, probably twice the size of what we need, but that's kind of the motto here at Uncle Mark. The incentive is we get the shack done, and then we go fishing and we cook a shore lunch, because you can't cook a shore lunch with a fish cleaning shack. So cabin's looking mighty fine. All right, we'll go see how the guys are doing. Spencer's getting some supplies in town, and you always forget something on a project like this, but well, where are we at, Caleb?
Flip it around. Well, we'll put the screen on and hopefully it's gonna seal. Keep the bugs out, but pretty much finishing touches right now. Screen going to the countertop, and I mean, we're missing a door, but
that's a pretty big part. But the tin's coming on. Yeah, Spencer's gonna deliver some more. Spencer's here. Spencer had a pretty good idea for the water system. Actually, Spencer, you want to show your water system you got here? I think it's cool.
It's very high tech. So what we have is just a basic 1/3 horsepower pump sitting in that bucket with a bunch of holes, and the hose runs up the dock, and we have water.
There you go.
That's it.
So we're gonna have an extension cord in here. Well, we'll plug it in here, and then it'll run water. Just plug it in when you need water. There'll be a hose, and then it just hangs out on that little bucket right there. Look at this thing. Woo. So Troy picked up, it's called HDPE. It's the plastic that, it's just indestructible. It's like a puck board. This stuff down here, so we got a couple big sheets. It's not cheap, but we're gonna use for our cutting board. So basically we're gonna have 2 big chunks for cutting. Tabletop, one there, one on the far side, and then a sink in the middle. And then on the back, maybe a couple garbage cans.
oh yeah.
Whoa!
Woo!
Dang.
No,
Look, we got this sink. Got brought down who knows when in the building process, which fits pretty perfect. These gentlemen crushed it. A little bit of work yet, but I think it's pretty much time to go fishing. Brady. Whoa! Yeah, let's go fishing. All right, we got Spencer. Limitless Guiding, adventuresexcursions.com. And like I said, this is gonna be the most expensive shore lunch we've ever cooked because we had to build the fish cleaning shack first. So anyways, you know, I got good vibes. The shack is 3/4 built. It's gonna be operational shortly. Thanks to these boys and those guys back there. I don't have to do anything apparently. Caleb brought his own live scope. He's got an eater. We need it to hit the shack. There you go. Build a shack, catch a walleye. The boys over there are slinging them in.
You guys got perch or what?
Caleb, getting it done. Oh yeah, you're good. Look at this.
Oh my goodness, there's so many fish down
Jig and minnow all day. Yeah, that guy's coming in. Okay, we're done. Do you want to go back and build some more? Troy's hooked up with something big.
One more.
Hey! That fish was made for the camera.
That was actually perfect.
That was good. There you go. Perfect. There you go. That is a 14-inch perch. Is that your biggest, Braden?
Yep.
Giant. We don't need to keep that one.
No, that one can go back.
Spencer makes it look so easy. I just follow him most of the time. There we go. Got a little gulp minnow on. This feels like a walleye. Is this my first Lake of the Woods walleye of this season?
No way.
Might be. Wow. So I'm drop shotting. I think this is a 2.5 inch maybe, gulp minnow, whatever size it is. The guys are just hammering giant perch. Fishing in, 12 feet of water, like Spencer said, mud flat.
Oh my goodness, you're all over you. He's on, no.
He missed,
No, you didn't set the hook.
No, he didn't bite me, that's why.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys.
I need to get some of these perch out.
Wow, this is one of the better perch schools I've seen, Spencer. Oh, that's a big perch. Oh, that's a huge perch. Wow. That's a walleye. That's a walleye. Boys, that fish cleaning shack, I'm just so happy that there's not gonna be any bugs in there.
Oh, not for today.
Oh yeah, right at the tree. This could be the biggest one. Oh, hello.
Nice one, dude. Don't lose it. Yeah, put him on the pan. Yeah, I gotta measure that one. That one's big. True. Good one, buddy. Throw on the tape. Just shy of 18.
Shy 18. Not too
Nice one.
shabby.
Good job, buddy.
A nice big belly.
She gone.
No, that was exactly it.
Whoa.
Then I have ownership of half. Any weekend that we both
Do you want more?
Oh! Whoa. All right, that's probably our best walleye so far. I don't know, 20-incher or so. This is what I'm using. I talked about it, the Indestructo bug. And this is a BKK net head. I love it. Really sharp hook, and it's a little smaller of a hook, which I like for walleye slash bass. Here's the pod, like right here, right where our lures are. Walleyes! Well, guys, we caught a couple.
Just a few?
Yeah, just a few.
Sorry, the fishing couldn't be better. This is gonna work out for this little shack we built. To the shack. Is this gonna work? Oh yeah. Spencer, you approve?
I do.
You've probably visited a couple fish cleaning shacks in your day.
This might be the nicest one.
You guys caught a couple too? It was pretty slow for us.
We caught a lot of that. had like a 50-inch muskie trying to eat.
Really?
Yeah.
Spencer's really good at cleaning fish. Spencer, let's see the sweater. Ooh.
Beautiful Uncle Mark sweater.
We
Catch and
made
cook knife.
We made a couple Uncle Mark sweaters that we're selling at the marina that we got for us, but if you guys are interested, maybe it's something we can make available online as well. But we got some Uncle Mark's merch and some friendship merch. So anyways, I got some work to do. All right, Spencer's finishing off the fish. Troy's prepping things over here. We're doing a classic Canadian shore lunch. I don't know how many fish we caught. It was ridiculous, like 50. What do you think you guys caught? Similar?
Oh boy.
Yeah.
It was hard to count.
Non-stop. All right, today on the French fries, Stellar Salt. We got 2 batches of fries because we got some hungry boys. Is it slow-mo, Troy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can't forget about this pretty face though that got it ready.
All right, it is dinner time. Lemon pepper, you got your spicy, you got your fries with Stellar Salt, and this little secret right here, Buffalo Ranch thick sauce. I'm telling you, up your shore lunch game. And I really hate ketchup, so we got beans. All right, dig in.
Oh boy. It was a rush.
Okay, fine.